Beautiful fall day. Got our pond here. And yeah, boards rotting in the bridge. So I tore off a couple of these. They're not pressure treated. Too cheap for that. So this is a used lumber. But eventually after a few years it rots out. So part of this project is just to replace the bad lumber. Those boards that I pulled out, recycled some nails since all the container ships are stuck in port. We're now entering the next Great Depression and materials restrictions. So yeah, I'm gonna recycle that. This is old lumber from when we tore out our back room. Old studs inside of varying lengths. Just get that put on there. It'll last another 2 or 3 years, 4. And by then, maybe I'll decide to replace this all with pressure treated lumber. I built this in 2013. Just laid some 1-foot diameter pine logs across the way here. And, you know, it's decaying slowly, but once you get inside where it stays wet because it's damp down here, I better push that back in. It's solid. So the backhoe, which is over 2,000 to 3,000 pounds, drove over this just yesterday. No problem. It's just the boards that keep rotting. These were 1 foot in diameter. I'd say the good part of it is probably down to 10 inches in diameter, 9 inches in diameter. Sure, at some point they'll have to be replaced. But for now, let's just fix this up. So let's get her done. So as stated, the pine logs are still good shape. So I'm just gonna nail a few boards across. First we'll just place them, make sure they span far enough across, make sure we got enough nails, and then go from there. So some of these are a little messed up, but we'll just put the good part over where we need it. Have the other part extend off the side, no big deal. Let's see what else we got here. Probably have to do a little nail removal on this one. So we could do that too. Just for safety, of course. It's all about safety, right? And remember to use the right tool for the job. Shoot. Well, maybe there's a better tool. Maybe she's a hammer. I grew up recycling nails because we didn't have a lot of money. Suddenly the skill's becoming valuable. Anyway, now I could probably pull it out of this side. These things are awesome. Get all the leverage you need. Once you have a nice screwed up nail, all you need to do is straighten it. So how you do that is you hold down one side, you roll it till you got the high side up, give it a little hammer, roll it around, flatten any lumps out, and just get it mostly straight. Perfect. Mint condition. So we'll put that over there. We don't worry about that one. This one might be in the right spot. No, it isn't. We'll pull that out. Let's do that. And sometimes you need another piece of wood for leverage. Just to pull it out properly. That one's nice and straight. What a win, right? So place that one next. And usually do some overlap. A little bit of spacing in between to let the stuff fall through. And go from there. But yeah, I got like a dozen recycled nails here. What more do you need, right? And pretty soon, we'll have ourselves a nice fixed up deck. But it does look like I need some more wood. So let me go get some of that. Well, got some more lumber here. It's a little interesting. Some of this is definitely going to be, well, it'll make okay decking. Let's just put it that way. So I'm going to space this out so that it's harder for you to fall in between. We're not going to have little babies running across here, so it should be okay. Basically teenagers and adults. And that should do okay. So to show you the high level. So we got 6 boards, gonna need 12 nails. I think we got enough. And let's get to it. All right. Here we go. We're ready to nail this all together here. Got you on the wide angle. So hopefully we'll be fine. I'm looking at them, trying to space these boards out right. Just making sure we're not gonna have too big of a gap anywhere. And then, let's nail this baby in. Because these are small boards, you only need 1 on each side. Otherwise I'd do 2. This board's painted, it's like luxury. So, it's gonna get the nice nails. So that's the basics of it. Nail the board in. We're gonna use the rest of these up. And all right, that's basically where I got it for now. A couple of these are old pressure treated boards. This one's new. I kind of trimmed the rot off the side of this and moved it over because there's rot on the end. Good wood in between. Nailed it back. Only one new 2x4, but it was cut during some wood used for renovation. The rest of this is all used wood. Pretty proud of that. I'm pretty heavy. I'm 300 pounds and, you know, doing good. The 2 logs are 4 feet apart. We'll do a wide angle view. And then 3x view for the path across to the other side of our property. And that's the story. Now at least we're safe for a little while. Thanks for watching.